You are not alone. It's a message you hear often, and one program under the Commonwealth Healthcare Corporation's Community Guidance Center wants to put those words into action. After conducting a survey of patient needs, they're seeking to launch a support group for parents of children experiencing mental health challenges.
I revisited the survey and I wanted to see what exactly our parents were looking for in terms of support groups. After going through several responses, their qualitative responses, they were looking for a traditional type of support group, one where they could come together with other parents, family members who have the same shared or lived experience, which is parenting or providing care for children and youth who have these mental health challenges.
The System of Care program is a mental health clinic and program under the Community Guidance Center. They typically provide support for youth up to 15 years old, but now they're shifting focus to those young people's parents.
They're looking for a group that is judgment-free, confidential, and supportive, and they really place that emphasis on having to be with other parents or family members or caregivers who are taking care of these children and youth with mental health challenges.
The support group could take place online or in person.
Right now, we're really just looking for a venue which could accommodate our parents, but we have been receiving some inquiries from our parents. We've been receiving calls as well, and we do really believe that this is a need to provide that support for our families, for the parents of the consumers that we're seeing here at the System of Care program.
It's a support group for those looking to support their closest loved ones.
The beauty of the model that we're using is it's advice free and it's judgment free. And often when we share something with someone, we're not really looking for advice. We really just want to be heard, because especially for our parents, a lot of times when they'd open up to others about my child is going through this certain mental health challenge, they'd be, oh, you should do this, you should do this, you should do this, right? They'd be bombarded with advice left and right, or maybe they'd be judged by their community that your child is suffering from mental health challenge because you did something wrong as a parent. And so that the group that we want to provide is free from those elements.
Tomas Manglona for KUAM News.